Is it difficult to flip or wholesale a contract into a 1031? Can I do a 1031 on a flip? Now remember what 1031 exchanges are. You bought a property at $1 million, you improved it and you're going to sell it at $2 million. So you have $1 million profit on the $1 million purchase. Instead of selling and paying taxes on that $1 million capital gains, you can just exchange. That means when you get a buyer and they're going to buy from you at $2 million, you tell escrow and the title company, I'm not selling, I'm exchanging. And you can exchange into what's called the 1031. That's the Internal Revenue Code called 1031. You have up to 45 days to identify up to 3 properties and an additional 135 days to roll your money forward to acquire one of the 3 properties. That 1031 exchange is 6 months. You have 6 months. Now, the question is, if I'm wholesaling or flipping, can I do 1031 exchange? Well, the rule of the IRS says that the 1031 exchange is for an investment property, and basically you have to have owned it for minimum of a year and 1 day. If you don't want them to question you on a lot of things. Well, a wholesale, you haven't even owned the property, you have it under contract, you're gonna assign the contract, so it's not gonna work. So what's the solution? Solution is when you tie up the deal under contract, you can use a self-directed IRA. You can write the contract, and it could be, let's say, Cherif Medawar. Well, it can be, let's say, IRA Services FBO, like for the benefit of Cherif Medawar. The IRA account number 45789. And you tell the IRA company, it's self-directed. You tell them, send a check to John Doe LLC. I may buy the property from them. Or to John Doe and Janice Johnson, their husband and wife. And guess what? Then the IRA sends that check to lock in the deal. It's IRA money. You assign or you wholesale. And guess what? The money, all the profit now came from the IRA. And when you do the assignment, the money goes to your IRA. And now you have deferred the taxes, or if it's a Roth IRA, you have tax-free profit there. It's the only way. You can't do 1031 with this. Can I do a 1031 on a flip? A flip is usually you're buying a property, you're going to fix it and sell it. Well, the IRS also has a section there, and I'm not a tax attorney or a CPA. I'm just telling you what I would do if I were you. And I have my attorneys and everybody sits in the office here. So anyway, so when you're buying and fixing and selling a property, the IRS has said you must buy with the intention of holding it. If your intention was to flip it or sell it right away, then it's not an investment property that can qualify for a 1031 exchange. Now, that's what the CPA will tell you. An attorney will say, well, how will the IRS know what your intention was? They can go dial into your head. They don't know what's in your mind. So let's not go into that debate. Let's see what to do. One of the best things I used to do was when I buy, fix, and I want to sell quickly, I used to carry the financing on my profit. Bought the property 400. Actually, I used to even, like in the heydays of 1998, 1999, there was so much demand in Silicon Valley. I would buy the property, so I'd pay cash. So they wanted, let's say, 450. I'd say, look, I'll close in 4 days. All I need is a title, quick tour. I don't even need a property inspection. I'll give you cash, 400 as is, where is. Can you accept 4 days closing? It's Monday, I'll close before Friday. They'll be like, okay, done. They usually have a reason to leave. So I'd buy it at 400. I'd put it for sale right after. And I would say, because there was scarce inventory, I'd say for sale at 450,000, seller will carry up to 50,000. So because there was easier loans and they were obtaining loans, I would sell it and carry my gain, my 50,000 gain. And when you carry your financing, when you sell, when you carry financing, the IRS says, this is unrealized gains. I haven't realized my 50,000 gain. So I would carry the 50,000, that's my profit. So I defer the taxes till they pay me off. And I would charge interest rate. And the interest rate, you could charge, let's say, right now you can charge 8%, they will pay you, okay? 8% on 50,000, you just got an extra 4,000 a year. It's sweet, it's profit on the profit. So you can defer the taxes on the flips. It will be a bit harder to do them as a 1031 exchange. And I will finish by saying the caveat is check with your CPA and make sure it is going to be okay if it's audited. You don't want the IRS to come back and claw back some numbers. Okay.